Kani kadai ke Batisi TV. Bat pidang pet ya ka khubor baman kasngi belawan ra shepi da ka rupa. Bapentingan bat Pynmih.
Kalai tarik uno pra kadai kasngi. Kaba nadu usnam kat khandai spa khandai pu ar seneng. Laju rakhi kerpang ya kani kasngi. Kum kasngi banyau kerpang iki breu ki beranjing duna hagid khotman. Banyalap se kaberthai banyau boram markelyang kum bayalong lem bat ki weidi ki breu ki babyang kamet kapha. Ringkat barok kawai kaberthai hakani ke jelaru Haka kasngi ke balatem kum ka International Day of Persons with Disabilities. Haka ke jela Meghalaya ru laju rakhe hakaleng ke jela kum jo da ka sarkar jela haka ke nongba Shillong. Haka lai tarik matau no pra arjar khat pra. Yakani ke jeng rakhe ke bala pelong da ka office rekam jong ka Commissioner of Persons with Disabilities Meghalaya ringkat ke jeng kersan lang da ka State Resource Center of Disability Affairs Civil Hospital Shillong. Ka office rekam jong Chief Electoral Officer Meghalaya bat ka National Informatics Center Shillong la pelong ikni ke rakhe hapo Yojana Bhavan Secretariat hakabau Additional Chief Secretary jong sarkar jela uba H Marwen IAS ulalong kongsan katbau Chief Electoral Officer jong ka jela uba Frederick Roy Kharkongor ulalong kop sembot kongsan kajing rakhe hauni usnam ya ka International Day of Persons with Disabilities hakani ke jela Meghalaya kalalong ru ka bakhamper Namar nakalang ka office rekam jang ka Commissioner for Person with Disabilities Meghalaya. Kalapan kreru ya ka Meghalaya Signbank apps ka dictionary ka ban kala sikiktian English khasi badgaro ya ki jingkren jiki breu ki baran jingtuna hakir khotman ki bakren tang da ka ba aidak da kikti. Khamtam kitu ki bamlat ban kren bat ki bamla ban yosngo. Ya kani ka Meghalaya Signbank apps ka bolong ru ka apps ka ba Nyngkong hakani kari India ka balas dang da ka Meghalaya. Lapan pet penbiang da ka office rekam jang ka Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities Meghalaya ringkat ka National Informatics Center Shillong hapo ka jingalam khamat jang Deputy Director General ubalong ru State Informatics Officer uba ti dekhar bat katnat North East Regional Institute of Education Unit jang ka NCERT Shillong hapo ka jingalam khamat jang ka Assistant Professor Dr. Melissa G. Walang.
There's a need to ensure freedom from discrimination, neglect, abuse and violation of their rights, as well as to provide equal opportunities and rights for the people with disability. What are the barriers that we see which people with disability face? Firstly, it is our attitudinal barriers, our attitude towards them. You see, we only see the disability in the people with disability. We do not see beyond that. This is a very serious barrier. We have very low expectation from them. The attitudinal barriers also are reflected through abuse, bullying, discrimination and even fear. These barriers provides even more other barriers, because of the barriers that create even more barriers for the people with disability. And they say in extreme, the barriers that are created are even worse in countries which are less developed. In more developed countries, there is more awareness, there is more people with disability face little less discrimination than they are in less developed countries. We have the environmental barriers, both physical and built, which exclude people from participating, from including them in normal life. And we have institutional barriers, laws, policies, practices, which exclude people with disability from participating in mainstream life. We have now more understanding, there's more, even the government policies geared towards giving them access in employment, giving them access in education. We have the new act now, the Person with Disability Act 2016, which has raised the quota for them from 4% to 4%, from 3 to 4%. We have places for them in jobs. Some quota has been earmarked for them. We have adaptive technologies which have evolved over the years. We have our web access. We have all. In fact, in our state, we have got about 50 websites that have been accessible to the people with disability. We have braille technology. These adaptive technologies are making life better and easier, and for people with disability to participate fully as in normal life. Discrimination against people with disabilities is now a crime. And under the Act, I was just reading it just now, that if anybody commits any sort of discrimination to people with disability, they are liable for prosecution under the law. In our state, we have notified special courts to handle any act of discrimination against people with disability. We need to create a conducive environment. We need to create places where people with disability have the same opportunities as we have, because they have been facing a lot of discrimination, a lot of neglect, and it's only in the recent century that recognition has come that we need to take more steps to ensure that they have opportunities and equal rights as normal people.